Want to change the language on your BMW 5 Series F10, F11, 2010 to 2017 iDrive system? It's a straightforward process using the iDrive interface. This video will guide you through the steps. This is useful for personal customization or when dealing with regional vehicle variants. First, press the iDrive controller button to access the main menu. Navigate using the controller to the Settings menu. Look for a gear icon that represents Settings. Select it by pressing the iDrive controller button. Within the Settings menu, you'll find a language option. It might be located under a General or System submenu, depending on your iDrive software version. Scroll through the options until you find Language and select it. A list of available languages will appear. Supported languages typically include English, German, French, Italian, and Spanish. Choose your desired language from the list by scrolling and selecting it with the iDrive controller. Confirm your selection. In some cases, the iDrive system might require a restart for the language change to take full effect. Follow any on-screen prompts to restart the system if necessary. This ensures all menus and displays are updated to the new language. Keep in mind that languages are tied to region-specific software. For example, U.S. market vehicles typically default to English, while European models may start in German or other local languages. This regional software ensures compliance with local regulations and user expectations. Voice control, activated through the button on your steering wheel, will automatically switch languages along with the rest of the iDrive system. This ensures that voice commands and responses match your selected language for a seamless experience. If you encounter issues after changing the language, such as navigation problems, ensure your maps are up to date. Use the BMW Connected Drive app to download the latest navigation data, which can resolve compatibility issues between the language setting and map information. If you encounter problems like being unable to switch from German to English due to regional lockouts, which is more common with imported vehicles, a software reset using an OBD2 tool like the Carly app might be necessary. The Carly app connects via the OBD2 port to perform the reset. If navigation fails after a language change, try updating your maps. Looking ahead, while changing language on your F10, F11 iDrive remains simple, newer BMW models introduce advanced AI-driven language adaptation for real-time translation. Future trends emphasize voice-driven interfaces, minimizing the need for manual language adjustments. These innovations allow the system to automatically detect and switch languages based on user input or connected devices. However, if using aftermarket apps or retrofitted Apple CarPlay, these may prioritize your smartphone's language settings over the iDrive configuration. The future outlook points toward fully AI-integrated systems by 2030, where language changes happen seamlessly through cloud-based services.